In Wake Up Money, when it comes to the struggling housing market, Houston seems to be bucking the national trend. So how profitable is it right now, that is, to invest in real estate? Joining us this morning is Steve Davis, Vice President of Lifestyles Unlimited, which is a real estate investing and mentoring group. And he's going to mentor us a little bit this morning, walk us through a few things. Let's start, Steve, with the prospect of becoming a landlord. Is now a good time to buy a property and rent it out?
It sure is.
Okay.
We're leasing properties in less than a week now.
Wow.
Before we even get our signs in the front yard, a lot of times we have people stopping by to lease. And it's the perfect storm with low prices, low interest rates, and a huge number of properties on the market with, as I said, very, very low prices.
How soon do you make your money back usually?
Well, our cash-on-cash rates of return run anywhere from 15 to 20%.
Okay.
But our equity capture, we're actually running around 200% rate of return. And I know for a lot of people that sounds outrageous, but that's really what's going on in the environment right now.
What about flipping houses? Is that profitable right now?
Flipping houses, which is something that is really not investing. It's totally different from investing. Investing, you buy to hold and build cash flow. Flipping is buy, fix, up, and sell. And we don't really promote that, but we are right now because of the marketplace. There's just an unbelievable opportunity where you're buying properties 40 and 50% below market.
And there's a lot of opportunities as well, you say, when it comes to multi-family housing. Explain that.
Well, we were buying properties $30,000, $35,000 a door, $35,000 per unit. We've been buying stuff lately at $8,000, $14,000, $19,000 a door. So the multifamily is unbelievable right now.
Is there anything you need to know if you're going to take on a project like that, though? I mean, what's the most important thing? Because that seems like it'd be a big undertaking.
It is, and the key to it is having a mentor.
Okay.
There are local real estate investor groups that people can get involved with, including ours, and that's what you want to do, is get around people who are actually eating, sleeping, and breathing real estate. Learn from masters, people who have done it successfully in the past, and just imitate them.
That's great advice. And then who fits the bill of a profitable real estate investor? I mean, what type of person are you looking at? Someone that can dedicate all of their time? Do they have another job on the side? What are we looking at here?
Almost every one of our members has a job and a family.
Okay.
So this can be done, and I think it's important for your viewers to be aware that anybody can do this. I started off 20 years ago with bad credit and no money. I was a health club instructor, and now I'm a principal in 4,000 units. So it can be done by anyone who's dedicated, willing to do a little more work than, say, investing in mutual funds or something like that. But the rewards are much, much higher. Well,
thanks for coming in. I learned a lot this time around. Again, Steve Davis, the Vice President of Lifestyles Unlimited. Get a hold of them if you want a little help on investing yourself.